make sure I hit that lock button. Doors are locked. That's it. Beamer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the Crown Vic today, doing a little driving, the usual. Make sure y'all practice safety, seat belts, turn signals, all that fun stuff. Channel today, I'll be changing out, well not changing out, but I'm going to be making a gasket for this EGR valve that is on the Ford E350 that I have. This is it right here. So as you see, the gasket blew out, whatever you want to call it, and it gave out, and it causing the van to basically hesitate. So I'm going to go ahead and make a gasket, and that way, so here we go, we got the gasket maker. I didn't buy a big tube, I bought a small tube. Don't need that much. You know, just put it on here, rebolt it. It was a pain to get off because it's up in here, and as you see, you got the top housing in the way and all these other nice features in the way. So it was, you know, it was a hard time getting off, but it took about 10 minutes to get it loose, and now it's off. So I'm going to go ahead and put the gasket maker on there, rebolt it, and test the van out. Hopefully that works. Now, just in case you're wondering what tools I use this right here, the ratchet and the extension. I just put the elbow piece on here, but this time it's a 10 millimeter that I have to get it off. So this time I'm going to go ahead and go with something a little bit more length. As you can see, that way I can you know, don't have to wrestle with it as much. So by the time, that way I can work with it from out here versus trying to work with it up in there. Thought I'll share that with you guys. I bought this right here from the AutoZone. It's very expensive, but it's definitely, want to see if it's worth it. So I got 3 setups, you know, each different size. No, I'm not a master knowing each size of this, but it says I'm going to use the half. You got 3/8 and you got a 1/4. So I'm going to use the half and put the 1/4 back on so I don't lose it. Keep up with it for next time if you don't need it. So of course it is another day. I did get the part put on the E350. Going to take it out for a test drive today. But other than that, let me know how you guys like the vlog, you know, different little things. Or do you like the old way just about the car or a certain vehicle? If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. That helps it grow. More people see the video. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Comment down below. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.